Hey, well, good afternoon and welcome to the McRae Man Cave in my lockdown. While you are locked down at home and wondering where your golf game has gone, there's some little things that you can do just on an ongoing basis to try to remember what that golf swing was like. Stay limber and stay active. This is something that I saw the other day and I practiced with it a little bit. Thought it actually made a lot of sense. It's called the broom drill. This is a broom. Guys, if you don't know what this is or where this is, shame on you. So go figure out where this is and put it to some other use, but also you can do this with it. What we try to do is we try to create a situation where we have the swing plane. The swing plane, I think you all know, is what the club wants to travel on so it can come back and through back to where the golf ball is in a square manner. So what we want to do is we want to set the broom up right up against the ball or something on the ground, not a golf ball because you'll hit it through a window and get me in trouble. When you rotate your shoulders, you want to make sure that at that point right there, it's pointing right at your target. You rotate your shoulders some more, you notice that one end of the broom goes right through the ball. As you continue to turn, it remains on that angle. But as you start down, we don't do this. We don't do this. We do right back through the golf ball again. Keep turning your shoulders. Club comes from the inside back to square, and we sweep the ball toward the target. Looking at it from this standpoint, I create the shaft angle. I have the shaft angle still, and as I keep turning, I force it to sweep toward the target. So we don't do things like this to flip the hands over. We don't do things like this to keep the hands open. We drive it down and we sweep. Get that done, don't break anything, and stay active. Hope to see you soon.